Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Or if you are new here, great to have you. In this quick and super focused 5 minutes video, we are going to cover the absolute basics. What is SQL? Whether you are just starting out in tech, data, or development, this is a term you will come across. Let's break it down clearly and quickly. What does SQL stands for? Alright, let's begin with the name itself. SQL stands for Structured Query Language. It's pronounced either SQL or SQL, both are totally fine. Now, what is it? SQL is a standard language used to communicate with relational databases. These are the systems that store data in table formats like spreadsheets but way more powerful. SQL helps you to ask questions to your database. Want to pull all the users who signed up last week? SQL. Want to update a customer's email? SQL again. You can use it to retrieve, add, update, and delete data. Simple and structured. That's SQL. You might be wondering, okay, but who actually uses SQL? The answer, almost everyone in tech. Data analysts use SQL to get insights from large datasets. Software developers use SQL to build apps that store and retrieve user data. Database administrators use it to manage and maintain large data systems. SQL is supported by almost every major database system: MySQL, PostgreSQL, Oracle, Microsoft SQL Server, SQLite, you name it. In your app, website, or system has data stored in a structured format, chances are SQL is being used behind the scenes. What can SQL do? So, what all can SQL actually do? Let's go over the most common commands. Select command. This is used to read or fetch data from this database. Insert command adds new records or entries. Update command changes or edit existing data. Delete command removes records. Join command is a very powerful one. It lets you connect data from multiple tables and combine it into one view. Super helpful for complex queries. There's a lot more SQL can do, like filtering, sorting, grouping, and even creating new tables. But these are the essentials to start with. Let me give you a super basic SQL example that's easy to understand. Select name age from students where age greater than 18. What does this do? It tells database, hey, go to the students table, grab the columns called name and age, and only show me the rows where the age is greater than 18. Simple, right? You are literally asking the database a question in a way it understands. That's what makes SQL so powerful. It's human readable and extremely efficient. So, here is what you should take away from this video. SQL is the universal language for databases. It's incredibly useful for beginners but also powerful enough for advanced analytics. If you are planning to work in data science, analytics, backend development, or business intelligence, SQL is one of those must have skills. And the best part, you can start writing real queries with just a few lines of code, like the one we just saw. Coming up next is the SQL Quick series. We are going to look at the select statements in detail, how it works, what variations it has, and how you can start using it right away. If you are interested in learning SQL fast and in small doses, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thanks for sticking around. Now go write your first SQL query, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you.